The first thing you're going to do here is you search for your own niche. Once you have opened an expired domain, expireddomains.net, please make sure you register. Search for your own niche and look for domains that are already expired and was not renewed. Then before you now head over to archive.org. Okay, head over to archive.org. Let's search for a similar niche which we're going to use. If you know the type of niche you want, you search for it so that you can get a relevant post that you can use in your own blog. This one available. So when you even see an expired domain, check the availability. The availability will tell you more whether you can use the content or not. So enter the domain name URL. We check the post. This guy stopped at 219. That's 2019. So let's check 2018. This 2018. Let's check 2015. We'll check the days he posted some articles or some contents. We can see it here. Funny enough, this is not English, but we can translate it to English and then make use of it. So let's copy part of it. I'm going to translate it to English. Good, this is translation to English. Now you can do anything when you're a programmer or when you know what you're doing on a website, because everything is at your disposal. So I've succeeded in translating the language to English. So let's check for plagiarism. Good, no plagiarism found. So it means the website, if you are a beauty blog niche, you can use the website. We're going to write some little programming language that can help us to download and expire the domain content instead of taking it one after the other. So this is a Ruby programming language. It will help us to do that. So let's download the Ruby installer. Check the Windows operating system you are using. I'm running on 64-bit, so I'm going to download for 64-bit. It's called Ruby installer or Ruby. So we're going to use this, install it on our system, write some programming language, then it downloads all the content of an expired domain, the one we choose, and we'll have it now on our PC, so we can upload it instead of picking it one after the other. Please pay attention to this particular lectures. This is it here. We click on installation, then follow the screen instruction. We accept, click next and install. Next, check whether you need the documentation, other things. We'll go next. Then wait a little while the installation complete. So the installation of Ruby is about to complete. Now Ruby installation setup. Don't get it twisted. Don't panic, because we are going to write a little bit code. All the same, we are going to drop the line of code, which we are going to write here. Now make sure you install this. Well, the installation is complete. Installation has complete. So click finish. I have to select one from here so that Robbie will install all the necessary components.